Tow truck drivers also know they will be in high demand when the snowstorm hits.
5 on your side's Robert Townsend continues our live team coverage with a look at how one company is preparing.
Mike and Kelly, those trusty tow truck drivers are the guys you call if your car breaks down or if you're involved in a weather-related accident. Today I talked to two veterans who are definitely ready for this weekend's snowstorm. At Ambition Towing Services in downtown St. Louis,
beginning Friday, we'll start running around the clock.
Jonathan Heck and his team's top priority right now is preparing for a potentially big snowstorm this weekend.
We'll keep the trucks warm and running. We'll make sure that, we have extra supplies that go on the trucks.
Long before their 5 trucks take off and crisscross the metro in the snow,
J-hooks are good for recoveries and also tying down equipment.
the seasoned drivers first double check all cables and straps on their 18,000 and 23,000 pound trucks.
It'll be tough everywhere. We're big trucks, we got weight, so it does help, but driving in these conditions are risky to anybody.
Several inches of snow and an Arctic blast are expected to hit our region. These guys know weather-related accidents, stranded drivers getting stuck, or sliding off slick roads are inevitable.
Stay slow, keep momentum, and just leave space in between everybody.
They say if you must drive this weekend, pack some essentials.
Keep a blanket in your car. Keep a flashlight, maybe any kind of signal light in case you do slide off the road.
If you have any leaks or anything like that, try to keep an eye on things and just exit the vehicle as quickly and safely as possible.
The road-ready tow truck drivers will be on the go all weekend long, tracking all emergency calls via their apps and laptops.
When we get the call, we click on the call. We find out how many cars or what vehicles we're getting. So it's always best to just be prepared for a long day's work.
And Heck also says he and his guys will rotate on 12-hour shifts throughout the snowstorm. Live in St. Louis, Robert Townsend, 5 on your side.
Our team of meteorologists are constantly providing updates now on our free streaming app. 5 on your side will be here throughout the weekend to get you through this winter storm. We're going to keep you safe. You can watch our extended weather impact alert storm coverage both on air and on streaming. To download the app, just pick up your phone and scan the QR code on your screen.